Congratulations on your new film, A Normal Family.
Thank you.
Tell us how this film actually came about for you that you wanted to write this story.
이 영화를 어떻게 만드시게 된 계기를 개인적인 이유를 궁금해 하십니다.
이 영화를, 이 영화는 제작사, 이 프로듀서로부터 그 스크립을 전달받았었고요. 그 스크립을 읽고, 그 다음에 소설을 읽었어요. 근데, 음, 그 소설이 굉장히 흥미로웠어요. 어떤 가족의 문제, 또 그런 도덕의 문제, 그리고 이 한국 사회에서 굉장히 지금 저도 많은 실감하고 있는 청소년 교육의 문제, 이런 부분들을, 다른 부분들이 흥미로웠고, 또 하나 더 좋았던 부분은 어떤 우리가 생각하는 사람에 대한 양면적인 모습들, 그런 모습들을 다룰 수 있는 이야기라는 생각이 들었어요. 그래서 이 작업을 선택하게 됐습니다, 이 영화.
So initially, I got the script from the producer and the production company, and I read over the script, and then I read over the novel, and I found it very, very interesting how it talked about topics of family, morals, children's education. These are some topics that I am passionate about myself, and it's a very important topic to be discussed in, especially in the context of South Korea. And another thing that I found very interesting is that we're able to see the duality of one person, an evil side and a good side. And after reading the script and the novel, these were the parts that really drew me to take on this project.
Most excellent. Can you talk about adapting this story from the novel, and how is it different?
아, 네. 이제 그 영화로, 책을 영화로 이제 바꾸시면서, 비슷한 점들과 달랐던 점들이 무엇인지 궁금해 하십니다. So, actually, someone else asked me this question earlier, but as I mentioned before, I think some topics that are the same between the novel and the film are the topics of morality and the family importance and family dynamics. So those are the parts that are similar. Some parts that are different in the film is that number one, it's in a Korean society. So while I was changing the novel story of the novel to the movie into a Korean version, I focused on some topics like Korea's socioeconomic gap between the rich and the poor, and also the issue of children's education, which is another big issue in Korea. And another difference between the novel and the film is the occupation of the two brothers. So in the book, one is a political figure, and then the younger brother is a doctor. But in the movie, we portrayed them as a high salary lawyer, and the younger brother as like a compassionate doctor.
Can you talk about creating this family dynamic with your cast in this film?
이제 출연하신 배우분들 사이에서 영화에서 본 것 같이 그런 가족 간의 다이내믹을 어떻게 구성하는데 절차가 이루어졌을까요? 뭐,
이, 이 설정에 있어서는 그 형제 간에 좀 두 다른 신념을 가지고 살아가는 형제. 그래서 큰형 같은 경우는 물질적인 그리고 경제적인 어떤 것들이 너무나 중요시 여겨지고, 그리고 굉장히 부유하게 살고 있고, 동생은 어떻게 보면은 그런 물질적인 것보다는 봉사활동을 하면서 자기가 가지고 있는 어떤 그런 그 의사로서의 그런 타인에 대한 봉사하고 있다는 그런 자존감? 이런 것들을 가지고 있는 두 다른 형제가 가치관이 차이에서 부딪히는 부분들을 가져가려고 했고요. 그리고 그것들이 어떻게 보면은 그것이 지속되는 게 아니라 어떤 순간에 또 다른 입장으로 바뀔 수 있다라는 것들을 가져가려고 했습니다.
I think like in regards to the family dynamics, a family dynamic that I really, really emphasized on was the brothers' dynamic, the brotherly dynamic. So they have two completely different morals. For example, the older brother, he's materialistic, he's unethical, he's driven by things that the younger brother is not driven by. Whereas the younger brother, he's not materialistic, he's empathetic, he's compassionate, and he takes some sort of like pride in all the community service work that he does as a doctor. And I think in this brotherly dynamic, something I wanted to focus on is that although that they both have their morals like that, at any moment things can change when it's something, for example, like in the movie, affects their family or themselves.
And with a film like this, what does this say about the younger generation, in your opinion?
이런 영화를 제작하시면서 현재 사회에 속해 있는 청년들에 대한 생각이 드는 부분이 있으실까요? 아니면은 마음이시던지.
글쎄요, 지금 한국 사회에 있어서의 가장 큰 문제점 중에 하나는 교육의 문제라고 보고요. 그 교육이 굉장히 경쟁적이고, 어, 좋은 대학에 가는 것이 가장 큰 목적이 되는 어떤 그런 환경 속에 있는 것 같아요. 이제 물론 그것을 갖다가 어떻게 바꿀 수 있는 어떤 대안은 저도 뭔가 없지만, 그 아이들을 그런 어떤 상황 속에 몰아넣는 그런 부모와 사회에 대한 어떤 좀 비판적인 그런 시선들을 보여줬으면 하는 생각들은 있었던 것 같아요.
As mentioned before, one of Korea's largest societal problems is education of children and young teens. So the environment is very competitive and it's very toxic in a way where going into a good university or college is the only sole goal of these children. And of course, I don't have, a solution to fix this huge societal problem. But something I did try to portray in my film is to kind of like show how the parents and the environment that the parents put these children in shapes the children and society and grows this societal issue even bigger. So I tried to portray those parts negatively in the film.
How do you direct your cast to get into the mindset of these characters because they're very, how can you say, very emotional in this drama?
영화에서 캐릭터들이 엄청 감정적인 부분들도 많이 가져가는데요. 이 배우분들한테 이런 역할을 배정할 때, 이 캐릭터에 정말로 몰입할 수 있는 비법이나 아니면 약간 팁 같은 거가 있었을까요?
그 촬영을 하기 전에 어, 그, 이야기를 많이 했던 것 같아요. 어, 뭐 어, 어떻게 했을까? 본인이라면 어떻게 했을까? 왜 이런 행동을 하게 됐을까? 라는 식으로 대화를 많이 했고요. 그리고 실제로 또 그 배우들과 그런 이야기를 나누면서 배우들이 이렇게 원하는 대사나 이런 것들도 많이 가지고 와서 썼던 것 같고, 어떻게 보면 현장에서는, 좀 더 배우들이 그, 그러니까 자유롭게 할 수 있게, 어떻게 보면은 그 이전에 했던 자기화시켜서 할 수 있게 많이 연출을 했던 것 같아요. 뭐 세세하게 연기에 대한 지도를 하기보다는 어떤 사람일까? 왜 이런 행동을 할까? 뭐 이런 이야기를 많이 했던 것 같습니다.
So before filming, I talked with the actors and actresses a lot. So conversations were really just like simple questions like, what would you have done if you were in that situation? Or why do you think so and so did this? Or what would you do if you were in this situation? And through that, I think speaking with them, there were a lot of like, new lines that the actors thought it would be good if we add to the story. So there were some parts like that. And then on set, I definitely let them be a lot more free and be themselves. And what I mean by that is, I really let them like indulge themselves into the character and think about and portray themselves in a way that they fully are the character themselves. Like, how would they react to this situation? What would they have done differently? So I think I focused a lot on the question of why and how to really get them into that character.
Last question is, what kind of reception do you think Americans should receive when watching your Korean film?
You said should receive?
Yeah. What
어,
should they take from this film after watching this film?
미국 관객들이 보통의 가족을 상영했을 때 어떤 부분들을 가져갔으면 좋겠으실까요?
글쎄요, 뭐 어떤 분들보다는 그, 그 아마 이제 어떤 그 미국에 있어서도 분명히 교육의 문제, 그리고 또 청소년들의 문제들에 대한 어떤 분명히 공통적인 것들이 있는 것 같고요. 어, 그런 부분들에 대한 어떤 생각을 한번 다시 해보는 어떤 그런 계기가 됐으면 하는 것들이 있고, 또 하나는 우리가 가지고 있는 어떤 신념이나 도덕, 이런 것들은 흔들리지 않을 거라고 생각하는데, 이 영화를 통해서 이제 그런 것들은 흔들릴 수 있다라는 이야기가 전달됐으면 좋겠다는 생각을 합니다.
Sorry, I was muted. In regards to the US reception of the film, I believe that there is a similarity of societal issues in the US as well. There's the education issue; it's getting continuously competitive, and other youth societal issues regarding like violence or drugs. And I think these are the similarities, and maybe the audiences can watch the movie and think back and reflect on how this applies to their life. And then moving on to the topic of like morality and ethics, I think like we saw in the film, anyone's morals and anyone's ethics is bound to change when something like this happens to them. And but we oftentimes think that it won't change. So I hope that the audience is able to take away from the film that no matter the situation, that moralities and ethics of one person could really be shooken and change at any time.
Well, Saxon, well, thank you very much for speaking to us about this film. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Gig. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye now.